In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize an email signature in Zoho Mail. Whether you're using Zoho Mail for work, personal communication, or something in between, having a professional and personalized signature can make a significant impression. So let's dive into the steps of setting up your email signature. First, open your web browser and navigate to https://mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your Zoho Mail credentials. If you're already in the habit of using Zoho Mail, this part should feel like second nature, but if it's your first time, just remember those details you set up when you first registered. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see a small gear icon. This is where you'll find all your settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. In this menu, look for the section labeled Mail Settings, and within that, find the option for Signatures. Click on Signatures, and you'll be taken to a new page specifically dedicated to managing your email signatures. Here starts the fun part. Click on the button that says Plus Add New Signature. This will allow you to create a new signature for your emails. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your signature. This name is mostly for your reference, especially useful if you plan to create multiple signatures. You might use something straightforward like Work Signature if this is for professional emails. Next, it's time to type out the actual content of your signature. This is where you can get creative and make your signature truly reflect your style or brand. In the editor, go ahead and type your footer content. You can add text, and don't forget, you can also include links, images, and different types of formatting. This is especially helpful if you want to include a logo, your social media links, or just make your contact information stand out. After crafting the perfect signature, take a moment to decide which email address you'd like to apply this signature to. This step only applies if you have multiple email addresses linked to your Zoho account. Choose the one that's appropriate for this signature. Finally, once you've customized everything to your satisfaction, click the Update button to save your new signature. Congratulations! You've just set up a new email signature in Zoho Mail. Now every email you send out will look that much more polished and professional with your new signature at the bottom. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't hesitate to experiment to find the style that suits you best. Thank you for joining me, and happy emailing.